Hi guys, welcome back! Today let's talk about the NYX Epic Wear Eyeliner Sticks, which I have 5 of. But first of all, what's that? The normal image quality, the background, the light. That's right, I am back and ready to film for you. I am so happy about that. And I also decided to film a video which is different from my usual content on how I travel during a pandemic. And as soon as this video is up, I will put the link right here in the description box if you're interested. If this might maybe help you, please watch. And of course, make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss it. Poof, introduction is over, let's go to these babies. So here are the colors that I got: Intense Teal, Emerald Cut, Graphic Purple, Fierce Purple and Orange Zest. I have already used all of them on my eyes today. Let me show you a close-up. So I used Emerald Cut, Intense Teal, Fierce Purple, and on my waterline I have Graphic Purple and Orange Zest. So obviously they have all already been in use, but I still want to show you the tips, especially seeing that a couple of them are sharpened already, and I will show you how to sharpen them. Here are all the colors, and I have already sharpened these too. Let's go for some quick swatches. Intense Teal, Emerald Cut, Graphic Purple, Fierce Purple, Orange Zest. As you see, some of the colors are a bit more metallic, some are a bit more matte. Okay, they can budge a little, but I really applied a lot of force. Also, it's not the first time I'm wearing them. Watch till the end to hear the review about the lasting power. So let's go for the sharpening now, shall we? What is tricky and confusing about these pencils is that here they look like solid plastic and people are sometimes afraid to sharpen them. But I assure you that nothing bad will happen, you just need a regular cosmetic pencil sharpener. And there you go! The tip is sharp, the pencil is alright. Nothing was broken. Just as a second example. Whoa, sharp as a knife. Now that you know everything about applying and sharpening these pencils, let me tell you my verdict. I'm in love. I'm not always in love with the NYX eye pencils. Remember that review I filmed on the Jumbo eye pencil, which did not last on me at all. But these babies, they last and last and last. They go on smoothly and pigmentedly, and then I made some wear tests on my bare lids, wearing them throughout the day, and there are not a lot of pencils that last well on my bare lids and also on my waterline, but these do. Now I really want to get all the colors of the Epic Wear Eyeliner Sticks. Oh my god, NYX, what are you doing to me? At the same time, they are pretty soft gliding on, and of course the color range is very impressive. So for my part, this is definitely a recommend. I hope you guys found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe not to miss the other ones. And of course on my Instagram there are plenty of new looks, including the ones with these eyeliners. And I'm also now putting some makeup content on my TikTok. Everything is linked down below. Please feel free to check out, feel free to follow me there, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye loves!